Motorsport. Today we're doing a bit of V6 tuning, but on the old bangers, the Alloytech. These are found in the early model Commodores, these FBY variants, and some of the VEs as well, early models. Basically, the guy's got a set of headers on it, lid spacer, had a heap of codes on it. We were able to fix most of them codes. These early systems are very primitive still. So what we've done was we've corrected the fuel, the ignition and timing and got it all right. So we'll show you what it does. Unfortunately with these cars, they are a bit primitive in the computer system. So we can adjust rev limiters, and this thing we've got up to 6.8 at the moment, which is quite good. But it is speed limited, which we can't change in this model of the car with the electronic throttle. So when we show you the graph, we can actually make a little bit more in third gear. We've tested in both, but basically it shuts it down. We'll give it a run and we'll show you what we can do. Okay, so good healthy increase in power, 162 with an auto and the Crewman. That's a good result. So what we can show you here is actually some of the other earlier runs, and that's showing you in second gear, the white one with that 155. You can see the torque's a lot higher here. That's how we established and we raised the rev limit to 6.8. We can't show you that in third gear because we can't control the electronic throttle. It's a separate system on this model car, so we'll get rid of that and we'll get rid of the white one. And we'll get rid of the yellow one there. Some more runs. Red one, get rid of the green one. So there's your runs. Red one's your standard run. So we're making that power, that's the electronic throttle shutting it off, basically in exactly the same spots. We can't do much about that. But the power difference is 21 rear wheel kilowatts, which is about 40 horsepower. So that's a worthwhile gain. This thing did have headers on it, so what we've done was optimise the timing and the fuel for that to make it right. And that's the second gear run, just to establish that our RPM limits are working in the lower gears. It's just speed limited overall. So overall, guys, we can do a lot of tuning. We can't do everything with some of the parameters, but we can fix up a lot of the problems with the early models. So that'll be my phone with more GM Motorsport customers. Talk to you soon. Thanks, guys.